now coming to creating permission. So you can, like the use case I think here will be, you can if you have like lots of users you have to give access to, separate access based on the folder and the files and so on. You can upload and directly give access dynamically. Again, all these functions can be clubbed together. You can, like call many different methods. Here you can continue calling different methods, even the sheets method. Later on, I'll show how to combine them together. Okay, so now let's give permission to these files. So for example, let's say, let me choose an easier file name. So that's, does not matter though, but so same file, sample file under .pdf. At the moment, if I go here, it says it's not shared. So let's try and give this. I'll give this here, start a service, create permission. Object ID is, we're looking at the object ID for sample1.pdf. And then the type is user, and then you can give, so you can use these options, group, domain, anyone. So if you want to give a user access, you're going to specify user here, writer, what sort of role you want to give it to, and then the email ID. And then you can specify this as NA for now. And I'm going to run this F5. And here you'll get the permission ID. So if you automatically create this, then you can have like your small database where you log the email ID associated with the permission ID, so that you can relate and map them later. Because you cannot pull the list of the users who have access to that particular file. Okay, only the permission ID. So here you can see that it has now, the owner is me, and then this is the user at the moment. Now one more example would be to add anyone. Here is the example. Let me do this. So anyone will have a read access. Okay. And let me remove this part now. And F5. So this one is basically saying that give access to anyone. The permission type is anyone. And here you don't have to specify the email ID is NA. Yeah. And if I change this, you'll see that anyone with the link will have access to this file.